Hey, how are you? It's John Paul Trades here, and today I will be going over what is CPI. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about, hey, why are the markets reacting like this? Why are the markets moving like this? We live in confusing times in the market, and sometimes when we're expecting something to go up, it tends to go down, or vice versa. But yeah, I'll be giving a little short overview on the CPI and what it is. So, because CPI stands for Consumer Price Index for some of you guys who didn't know. As you guys can see here, we have gold currently marked at 2031.40. We are trading near record highs as well and 6 month highs as well. We had about 200 pip move on gold earlier. As you guys can see, a 200 pip candle, and then it was followed by a 250 pip bearish candle. So 500 pips and within those times of the CPI being released. Let's look at the dollar. The dollar also had a massive move, as you guys can see, opened up completely bearish and closed bearish as well. Nasdaq, for those of you that trade indices, key indicators. If always, I like to look at my indices, see how they are doing, especially since I trade gold. I don't use it as a confluence, but I just stay up to date with where the markets are currently trading at. If investors are taking their money out of the market, where will they put them? Typically, oftentimes when they take their money out from the markets, they're either putting it in gold, or if they're taking cash, or if they're investing into the market. Let's look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, as you guys see, open bearish. I don't have the S&P here. And for those of you who ask me where I get my news from and any articles, any current market releases that they do, if you want a credible source, I always go to Forex Factory. It's the one that I use. There's other good sources like Bloomberg. You could choose a choice, the network choice, the news choice of your preference. I know there's a lot of different news channels out there, but I use Forex Factory. As you guys can see here, it gives you the current CPI, what it was forecasted before it was released, and the previous month's numbers. So as you guys can see, it was the news we got today was actually pretty good for the markets in general. It wasn't that bad of news. I know it was taken out in red, but also I like to use Forex Factory because it indicates to me what type of volume am I expecting from the market. Am I expecting low impact news? Is it high impact where there will be a lot of volume? So I know to manage my risk properly and to be careful if in times like this, clearly we don't know what's going on in the current moment, not excluding our technicals. We just had a 200 pip candle, bullish candle. We would expect the markets to continue to go up on gold at least, and then it was followed by a 250 pip bearish candle. So you want to be careful when trading these types of news. And CPI, guys, all it is inflation, consumer price index. You're measuring the cost of goods, if they're going up, they're going down. You could also see here the latest release through the Bureau of Labor Statistics, which is biz.gov. I like giving all these types of resources for free. I feel like everyone should be able to access these websites, considering the important information that they're giving us, and it's all here. So as you guys can see, I would typically go to HTML view. Oh, I think I clicked on the wrong one. Latest release. Here we go. This is it. As you guys can see, it gives you an HTML scripted version of the CPI release data. As you guys can see here, you guys can see where every cost of good and service is currently at. Food, did the price go up or down? You can see last month, current month, food away from home, for instance. Energy, did it go up or did it go down? Energy commodities, gasoline, electricity, new vehicles, services as well. So you can see it gives you the previous months and it gives you 12 months, all of them unadjusted and adjusted, and the current month. As you guys can see that. And yeah, man, Always, if you guys have any questions on how to trade CPI, what is CPI, how to look at CPI, how to read it, you guys could DM me on Instagram or Discord. You can reach me on both for free. I answer all my DMs, and I would be lovely. It would be lovely to help you guys attain this information and understand this information. We did not trade today. I wasn't able to catch anything on gold. I was extremely careful, just because we have this trend channel set up. We're uptrending, so it was nice to see it play out. And currently trading outside of this channel, but let's see. I'll be looking to see if we will be trending, if we will be trading below the trend channel or inside of it. I'll be extremely careful tomorrow. We have PPI release, and I'll be trading live. For those of you who want to trade live with me and how I trade the news, feel free to join 8:30 a.m.